Nature's Bounty Diabetes Support Pack is a scientifically formulated nutritional support supplement for people with diabetes. Each packet contains 7 targeted supplements developed to promote optimal support, including a multivitamin with lutein, alpha-lipoic acid, cinnamon chromium, selenium, folic acid, CoQ10 and vitamin C. Diabetes Support Pack is sugar-free and preservative-free. This supplement costs $7.78 with an additional shipping fee of $7.82 according to its website. We advise you to do a bit of research yourself before you buy any treatment for type 2 diabetes. If you're looking for a natural treatment for type 2 diabetes that really work, we recommend you to check out Diabrix before you buy any treatment. Diabrix combines the nature's most powerful herbs that lower your blood sugar quickly and naturally, all without the devastating side effects of drugs. Visit Diabrix now at www.diabrix.com.